It is the ultimate symbol of wealth.
But before it sits in a glass case, it starts in the mud.
Welcome to the tannery, where raw nature is tamed by human hands. Through fire, water, and steel. Let's trace the journey of the world's most expensive leather. It begins here, on a sustainable breeding ranch.
The water must be pristine. Bacteria causes scars.
And for a luxury bag, the belly skin must be flawless.
Handlers tread carefully. These are apex predators. Once harvested, the clock starts ticking. They are buried in industrial salt to draw out moisture.
This halts decomposition instantly.
Preserved and packed, they head to the beamhouse. The beamhouse is wet, loud, and chemical. These giant teak drums are the heart of the operation. The skins are soaked to rehydrate the fiber.
Washing away the salt and the dirt.
The fleshing machine strips away the organic weight.
But machines aren't enough. Precision requires a knife.
The skin is now delimed, a blank slate.
Inspectors check the translucency.
Now, an acid bath to lower the pH.
Turning the skin into stable, wet blue leather.
It is no longer organic tissue. It is rot-proof material.
But it's too thick, it needs to be shaved.
Blades equalize the thickness.
Down to a fraction of a millimeter.
They are toggled to dry so they don't shrink.
Vacuum pressure removes the last of the water.
This is crust leather, stiff and ready for color.
Steel pins massage the fibers until they turn soft.
Finally, hot drums drive the dye deep into the grain.
The color is vibrant, but it lacks the shine.
The secret weapon is this, an agate stone.
It's called lapping, friction under high pressure.
The heat burns the proteins, creating a glass-like finish.
or wool felts are used for a modern matte look. The result is liquid luxury.
But the scrutiny isn't over.
One mosquito bite, and the skin is rejected.
We leave the factory and enter the atelier.
Every millimeter is calculated.
The scales must mirror each other perfectly.
One wrong cut, and thousands of dollars are lost.
Edges are skivved paper thin for folding.
The exotic skin is bonded to a soft calf lining. Handles are sculpted by hand.
Stitched using the traditional two-kneed saddle technique.
Hammered flat for durability.
Raw edges are painted with liquid resin.
Then heat sealed to prevent peeling.
Slowly, the architecture of the bag emerges.
Hardware is installed like jewelry. A final polish removes the artisan's fingerprints.
And the brand is stamped in gold.
Wrapped in silk, ready for the market.
It is durable, beautiful, and incredibly rare. That is the price of perfection.